Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a code lock on LittleBigPlanet Vita. This is the touch screen. You could also do this on LittleBigPlanet 2, but you'd have to use some kind of setup which you'd use the PlayStation Move or some other. You can obviously take this and adjust it to how you want, so you don't have to exactly copy this, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the Vita. So here we have four numbers that you can change. Let me just move out of the way of that. And to change it, all you do is press on the arrow when you're not in create mode. When you press on it, and it'll change, and you can put a certain code in, and the code would, the door would unlock. The door, you don't really need to know about that, but the door is basically just remove the wrong bit. Is a big piece of metal on a piston, and a little bit of metal that can't move. And here's the settings for the piston. You don't have to copy that at all. You can make your own door or contraption. What happens after you've put in the code, but that's just there for an example. So first things first, I'll show you how to make one of these things here, so you get an idea. So first things what I did first, I put a piece of sticker panel down, and I put a sticker on it, a number, and it's got a black background on it, but it doesn't usually have that. And the settings are basically default. I've moved it forward one, and that's just so we can put a black background on it. So once you've done that, what you'll need to do, let me just quickly steal this one and delete the logic off it. Right, so once you've done that, put a microchip down, and on this microchip what you need to do is get each one connected to each number. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way down to number 9. Make sure it's on 10 so you've got room for the 0 and such. That's it. And then on the increase and decrease, so cycle, you put a direction combiner. Now, on the arrows, to make it move when you touch them, what you'll need to do is place down a microchip on the. Sorry, I should probably explain that this is just an arrow sticker on a piece of the same setup as we have for the sticker panel here. So you put a microchip on it, and what we need to do is get a touch sensor. So it's not a selector. There you go, touch sensor, and when a touch sensor is activated, we need to plug it in there. 1, and the reason for that is so it only goes once and doesn't continue, kind of thing, and mess up. You'll see why later. Well, wait if you try it yourself, that is. Once you've done that, you'll need to put it so it resets itself. And you can put a sound on there if you want and such. Once you've done that, connect to that to the one it needs to go on. So to increase the number, which is going to be the right one, it needs to go into the positive, and the other would go into the negative. So what you can do is just copy this microchip, put it on the other, open it up, take this cable, and put it into the negative. So that means it will now increase and decrease the number that's on the thing. So if I just save that. Okay, I'm going to make myself a platform. Let's make it out of cardboard just to show you. Right. Okay, so now we can increase and decrease the number by tapping it. Obviously it's better with audio feedback like I have on the other ones. I'll show you where I've put the audio on these ones. So the audio just connects to the one-shot switch that we've done here. Good? Good. So now we can change the number on the screen. That doesn't mean anything. We can't really make it unlock a door. So what we need to do now, I've already placed a one-shot switch here. Let me just show you the settings on that. So it's just on one-shot switch. And that allows for the piston to move up and down depending on if it is off or on. So what you need to do is think of 4 numbers. So let's go with... Hang on a second, I can't think of any numbers. 8741. Let's go with that. So 8741. Now, to do this, all we need to do is open the microchips that allow the thing to change number. So once you've done that, so I forgot what bloody numbers we're doing now. 8741. Okay. So this first one needs to be 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should have just gone to the last one, but whatever. So there's a number 8. And now we need number 7 on this one. So 9, 8, 7. And now we've got 7 on that one. These ones are upside down because I flipped them. I'm going to flip them the correct way though. So it's easier to follow. And there we go. So for this one we wanted 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4. Because there's 0 at the top. And after 4 we want 1. So 1 is this. So now we've got all those picks out, what we need to do is get another microchip, put the microchip wherever near the door or the contraption that's going to be enabled. Once that's done, get the AND gate. You need to put it on 4, so that means 4 things have to be on for it to work. So then we take this cable. Doesn't matter which one on which circuit board, we're just going to do them all. So take one, plug it in, take another, plug it in, take another, plug it in, and finally take the last one, plug it in. So, that failed, didn't it? Plug it in. So once you've done all those, you can get rid of the circuit boards, not literally, just hide them, and take the one shot switch, put it inside this circuit board, plug it in there, sorted. And then what we do need to do is put a NOT gate. So if it's not the right code, then it will reset the door. So now, this is what the user will see. A very nice, clean interface. Very nice. So what we need to do is put the code in, and the code is, I forgot again, 8741. So 8, 7, 4, and 1. Door opened. If we change the number, the door will reclose, like so. Cool, eh? So there's your code lock. You know, you can do it in any way you want. You know, you don't have to make it a door. You could make it set off fireworks. You could make it cause an explosion. You could make it, you know, whatever you can imagine. You can make the code lock do it. So thanks for watching this, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.